As a business owner, as someone in markets, are you getting concerned about valuations getting ahead of how quickly we can deploy some of this technology in productive ways?
Enormous amounts of money is now going into AI and going into data centers. And the theory behind investing is you get your money back with a return. Whether you'll get your money back with a reasonable return on all the AI investments is unclear at this point because so much money is going into this area, and it's not clear when the returns will come back, if at all. So I do think there's reason for caution, but I don't think it's a concern right now that AI will be a bubble that will burst dramatically. I do think there's a lot of interest in AI, and I think for some time you're going to see a lot of investment dollars going into it, and I think a lot of them are justified because AI is clearly going to change the way we live and the way we deal with business, just the way the Internet did. Whether the Internet had a bubble or not at some point in time is something that you can say maybe it did. AI could have a little bubble at some point, but right now I think the markets are still fairly resolved that AI will be a pretty good thing to invest in. And there may be at some point in time, there might be some slight reduction in the values. But generally, AI is here to stay, and enormous amounts of money are going to go into this area.
Yeah, something I'm sure that you talked about online and offline with Rick Wurster in your latest episode of Bloomberg Wealth, which we'll get into in a second. How much do you see AI and some of these large language models transforming the asset management industry, not just on the retail side, on the private asset side, in your business, what you're doing?
Well, AI is here. They're going to change everything. For example, in the investment world, AI models are being used to assess whether a deal is a good deal or a stock is a good deal. The models will get perfected over a period of time. But I do know that some private equity firms are beginning to look at AI as a help in making decisions about whether to proceed with certain investments or not. I know in my own firm, in certain areas, we have used AI quite extensively to help us speed up the decisions that are about to be made. For example, if you're looking at a large portfolio of investments, you can make the decision about whether they're good or not much more rapidly with using AI technology.